In this video, I will guide you on how to create a bootable USB for any Windows version, such as 8, 10, or 11, using very simple steps for free, without wasting time. Let's get started. Open a browser, type PowerISO in the search tab and press enter. Click on the first link to open the official PowerISO website. Click on Download PowerISO 64-bit or 32-bit, according to your system requirements. Now that your software has been downloaded, click on Open File to begin the installation. Press on I agree button to continue. If you want to change the software installation path, click on Browse and select a new destination to save the file. Otherwise, press Next to install it in the default location. Press the Select All button to enable support for all file extensions in the system and press Next. Now the software has been successfully installed on your system. You can close the browser. Before running the software, plug in a USB with a minimum of 8 GB capacity and format it. Disk formatting is completed. Right-click on the PowerISO icon on the desktop and select Run as Administrator. And continue with the trial version. Click on the Tools tab at the top of the software, then select USB Tool. Create bootable USB drive. Select the ISO image file of Windows. And confirm which USB drive you want to make bootable. Press Start button and press OK button. Now the bootable USB creation has started. Please wait for several minutes. Congratulations! Your bootable USB has been created successfully. Now you can use this USB for Windows installation. In the next video, I will guide you step by step on how to install Windows on a computer using this USB. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.